As you already know by now, it's Women Energy Association of Incubators in Manufacturing. And it's a first of its kind where we are promoting women entrepreneurs who wants to come up in manufacturing sector, basically. So it is not a small scale or medium scale or big scale right now, but it is entrepreneurship. Those women who wants to do something of their own, they are best when they are manufacturing something, right? When they are making something, we are the best, right? So that is the main motto of VAIM. We want to encourage women. So these are the benefits of VAIM here, where we give opportunities to interact, have liaising with the government entities, and they can network with your peer members, and you can also get yourself acknowledged with entrepreneurial institutions. And the benefits are not, you can't list the benefits. It's like how you have to start, where you have to start, and how you want to go. That is what we will be concentrating upon. And we'll also be supporting, in the same manner, we'll be supporting women to set up their own enterprises, and we'll be hand-holding them also. And facilitating acceleration of existing manufacturing enterprises through strategy and mentoring. And you'll be a part of the learning team, learning environment, where you can share and find the possible solutions through various knowledge sharing events. Yeah, so this is Start It, Scale It, Sell, where we want to support 100 women entrepreneurs to start something in manufacturing sector, and 25 women who has already started to scale up their enterprise. That's the main motto here. Anyone till now, whatever I have said, it is about VAIM, Start It and Scale It, Sell. If you have any questions, we can definitely catch up offline, and we can explain you how it all goes. Okay? Thank you for this.